Tired of endless email chains and phone tag just to book appointments? Let's dive right into how email agencies can leverage Vapi AI to automate appointment booking and supercharge your efficiency. First, head over to the Vapi AI website and create an account. This is your central hub to set everything up. Once registered, you'll likely be prompted to connect your calendar such as Google Calendar or Outlook. This connection is crucial, ensuring Vapi AI accurately reflects your availability. Click on the Integrations section within your Vapi AI dashboard and follow the instructions to sync your calendar. This step allows Vapi AI to understand your existing commitments and avoid double bookings. Next, define your availability. Navigate to the availability settings here. You detail the days and times you're free for appointments. You can set different schedules for different appointment types, like consultations or discovery calls. Remember to consider time zone differences if you work with clients across the country or globally. Now, create your appointment types. Find the appointment type setting and design the specifics. Name the booking type, for example, free discovery call. Customize duration, add a brief description, and configure any required information fields, such as the client's name and email address that you'd need. The magic happens in the automated communication. Vapi AI allows you to customize email confirmations and reminders to save time. You create default reminders reminding your clients. This will help avoid missed appointments. Review the automated email templates. Customize everything, including subject lines and text, to fit your agency's tone and brand. Double-check for accuracy of your agency's information. Finally, integrate your booking link. You can seamlessly embed this link on your website, social media, and even in your email signatures. When a potential client clicks the link, they are guided through a simple scheduling process that automatically finds an available time. Congratulations! You have successfully eliminated manual back and forth schedule in the process.